medications as a branch of knowledge. The individual race has structured masterful devices for centuries to think through problems and make manufactures for our demands. With a growing understanding of why we discover ourselves in this dilemma, it is not amazing that along many routes of recent life science survey, we discover attempts to recognize and construct on more environmental or nature-friendly procedures. Increased advantage in the survey of naturalistic manufacturers in medication evolution, as well as the quickly changing survey strategies, are driving powers in the modernizing of a branch of science, pharmacognosy. Commonly, scripts permit a more conservative awareness transition and may drive to a homogenization of awareness. The last decade has built a greater usage of botanical manufacturers among members of the common public through self-chosen than ever before. However, this incident has been affected by a growing concern to herbal therapies, phytomedicines, as a shape of alternative treatment by the health careers inclusive of medicine and pharmacy. As well, pharmacognosy is actually one of various scientific branches that own a strategic placement in gathering chemistry with biology and even medication. Modern and improved strategies about election of bioassays, organisms, isolation steps, and framework elucidation are constantly expanded based on the last improvements in science.